Hi everyone, quick little thing. I got some friend mail from Vicki Fry. So I thought I'd open it up and share. Blessings for your home on St. Patrick's Day. Aw. Join me on my channel to Living in the Moment. That is so sweet. She is so sweet. Vicki and Jade. If you haven't checked her out, you just go to Living in the Moment. You can find her on YouTube and go check her out. So thank you, Vicki. You're always so sweet. And she's like loaded with cute little stickers. It says, may love and friendship warm your home. May luck move in to stay. May every morning be the start of another happy day. May you have health and faith and strength to give life all your best. St. Patrick's Day and all your days, may you be richly blessed. That was really sweet. And then it says, and his name shall be called Wonderful Counselor and Mighty God, the Everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace. Isaiah 9:6b. Anyways, that's it. See y'all.